Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Dropbox password easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Dropbox password, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.dropbox.com and hit enter. Once the Dropbox homepage loads, look for the option that says sign in. Click on sign in located at the top right corner of the page. You will see a prompt asking for your email and password. Instead of entering your password, look for the link that says forgot your password. Click on that link to proceed with the password reset process. You will be directed to a new page asking for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Dropbox account. After you have entered your email, click on the Submit button. Dropbox will send you an email with instructions to reset your password. Go to your email inbox and look for the email from Dropbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and look for the reset password link. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be redirected to a new page where you can create a new password. Enter a strong and unique password that you can remember. After you've typed your new password, confirm it by entering it again in the provided field. Once you've done that, click on the Reset Password button. Your password will now be reset, and you can use your new password to sign in. Return to the Dropbox sign-in page by going back to the website. Input your email and the new password you just created. Finally, click Sign in to access your Dropbox account with your new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.